Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna showing you how I create this look right here. Then keep on watching. First thing to do is to use a foundation, and the foundation that I'll be using is the Pink Flash foundation, which is the shade of number 6, and apply it on all over your face. Use a beauty blender to blend it all over your face and gently blend it until you're gonna blend it all. Next step is a concealer, and I'm using a Pink Flash again, which is the shade of number 2. Apply it on your inner corner and outer corner of your eye, and in the nose and your chin and your forehead. And using again a beauty blender to blend it all, just gently blend it until it's softened and blended until you see the final result of blinding highlight. Third step is using a loose powder, which is the beauty glaze, and apply it all over your face to set in your foundation. After you set your foundation, let's move on your eyebrow. The eyebrow pencil that I'm gonna using is the drawing eyebrow, which is I bought on Shopee, and apply it on your brows just gently and blend in, and just do some strokes that is not too hard so that your brows will be having a good and nice chic brows. Next step is you're gonna clean your brow area so that you have a natural and chic eyebrow. Step is using a pressed powder to finally set in your foundation in all your face. After you use pressed powder, let's move on to contour. I'm using the Pink Flash contour powder, and I'm applying it on my cheekbone and my forehead and under my chin. After I contoured my cheekbone, forehead, and chin, I'm gonna do my nose line. After I do contour on my face, let's move on to the blush. I'm using the Pink Flash blush, and I'm gonna putting it on my cheekbone. After I do blushes, I need to bake my face using again the loose powder of the beauty glaze to bake my face. I used loose powder for the fallouts of the eyeshadow so it wouldn't stay on my face. After baking my face, let's move on the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'm using is the Beauty Glaze Touching Up, and I'm using a brown shade to warm up my crease. I'm using the red color shade of the eyeshadow so that I want a vibrant color. I'm using another darker shade to have a depth in my eyes because I'm using a foundation to cut my crease and slowly apply it on your crease. Next step is brush off all the loose powder that I put in my face so that we can move on to our under eye eyeshadow. Using again the shade that I put on the crease and put it under your eye. And I'm putting a black eyeshadow so that I will have a small eye look, and using an eyeliner to have a cat eye look. Next step is highlighting my face, and I'm using the Handayan highlight. Actually highlight my cheekbone, my eyebrow bone, and my lips, and in my chin, and especially my nose. Finally, the last step is the lipstick. This is the look that I make, and I'll be back for the final look. This is the before and after of the cut crease eye makeup look.